Question number 11. The diameters of three circles are in the ratio 3:5:6 if the sum of the circumferences of these circles be 308 centimeter. Find the difference between the areas of the largest and the smallest of these circles. So what is given? The ratios of the diameters. The ratios of the diameters, that is 3:5:6. So d1 is equal to, how to write from the ratio? 3x. d2 is equal to 5x. d3 is equal to 6x. From here r1 is equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. So same way d3 equal to R3 is equal to 6x divided by 2. So, circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So, let it be C1. First we have to find for the first circle. C1 is equal to 2 pi r1. C2 is equal to 2 pi r2. C3 is equal to 2 pi r3. C1 is equal to 2 r1 pi. C2 is equal to 2 r2 pi. C3 equal to 2 r3 pi. I didn't do anything, just I am rearranging. Bring r3 together. What is 2r? 2r is diameter. Yes or no? 2 into radius is diameter. Here it is given 2r1. That means what is this? d1. 2r is diameter. 2r1 d1 pi. What is this? d2 pi. d3 pi. So C1 is equal to, what is d1? What is d1 given in the question? 3x pi. C2 is equal to 5x pi. C3 is equal to 6x pi. Clear? Now, total circumference is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. What is C1? 3x pi. What is C2? 5x pi. What is C3? 6x pi. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14x pi. Clear? What is given in the question? The total sum of circumference. How much? It is given as 308. What is the sum of the circumference? Just now we found it as 14x pi. 14x pi is equal to how much? 308. Now, x value. How to find x value? Is equal to 308 divided by 14 will be in the denominator, pi. So, 308 divided by 14 into, what is pi? 22 by 7. Cancel. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So, it will be 308 divided by 2 into 22, 44. Cancel. By 2 tables you will be getting 7. X is equal to 7. Calculation you can check out. So, we have got the value x is equal to 7. Now, x is equal to 7. R1 is equal to 3x by 2, R2 is equal to 5x by 2, R3 is equal to 6x by 2. So, we have to find the difference between the area of the largest and smallest. So, to find the area of the largest and smallest, first we have to find the radius of the smallest circle and radius of the largest circle. So, out of this 3, which will be the radius of the smallest? Which value is smaller? You can see the 3x, no? So, this will be the smallest, and the 6 greater value 6. So, this will be the largest radius. Okay, so radius of the largest circle is R3. What is that? 6x by 2. What is the value that we found for x? That is 6 into 7 by 2. You will be getting 21 centimeter. Radius of the smallest circle. What is the smallest circle? Just now I told you this value is the smallest one. So 3x by 2. Substitute the value for x. 21 by 2 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the area. How we found radius? Same way we have to find area of the largest circle. Area of the largest circle is A3. That is pi R3 square. Pi into what is the radius? R3 we got it as 21 square. Area of smallest circle A1 is pi into 21 by 2 the whole square. Okay, so difference, they have asked to find the difference between area of largest circle minus area of the smallest circle. Okay, so difference means you have to subtract. Which is the largest circle area? Pi 21 square minus pi into 21 by 2 the whole square. So take out pi common. 21 into 21 will be minus 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Pi into 21 into 21 is 441 minus 21 into 21 441. 2 2s are 4. So taking LCM we will be getting 4 into 441 1764 minus 441 divided by 4, the common LCM. So pi value is 22 by 7 into, if you subtract you will be getting 1323 divided by 4. 2 2s are 11 times, 7 1s are 189. 7 table you can cancel, you will be getting this value. 189 into 11 you will get 2079 divided by 2. Divide this one. 2079 1 time, 0 will not go, put 0 as it is. 7 3 times 6, 7 minus 1 1, 19, 2 9s are 18, balance 1 10.5. So answer is 1039.5. This is the difference between the area. Question number 12. Find the area of a ring-shaped region enclosed between two concentric circles of radii 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So what is given first? A ring-shaped region. A region is enclosed by concentric. Concentric means two circles, one inside. Okay, two circles together inside. That's called concentric circles. Okay, so this is the portion that is enclosed by concentric circles. Concentric. Okay, these two circles are the concentric circles, and this is a space that is enclosed by the two concentric circles. So what is the radii of the respective circles are given? The greater circle, see that this is the outer circle, this circle will be of greater radius comparing to this circle, right? So this will be 20 and this will be 15. Okay, so let the radius of the outer circle, radius of the outer circle, let it be capital R. How much? 20 centimeter. And radius of the inner circle, let it be small r, that is 15 centimeter. Now we have to find the space between them, right? So area of the ring shaped region. Ring shaped region. What is the area of the ring shaped region? Subtract the two area. Pi r square, capital R, the bigger circle, minus pi r square. Okay. So pi will be common, take outside, r square minus r square. What is capital R? 20 square. What is small r? 15 square. So what is 20 square? 400 minus 15 square is 225. Subtract, you will be getting 175. So 22, pi value is 22 by 7 into 175. You will be getting the answer 550 centimeter square. This is the area of the ring shaped area. Okay. The shaded region. This shaded region is equal to how much? 550 centimeter square. That's it. Question number 13. The circumference of a given circular park is 55 meter. It is surrounded by a path of uniform width 3.5 meter. Find the area of the path. So in the question, what is given? The circumference of the circular path is given. Circumference is given. How much? 55 meter. Okay. So there are two circles, right? Given circular park surrounded by a path of uniform width. Surrounded by a path. There is a circular path. Okay. So let the circle with the outer circle have the radius capital R, and the circle that is inside have the radius small r. Okay. The place between them, this is the width. Okay. The like breadth, that this is the width. In circle we always tell it as width. What is the width given? 3.5 meter. Width W is equal to how much? 3.5 meter. Okay. What is the circumference formula? 2 pi r. How to find r? Circumference divided by 2 pi. What is circumference? 55 divided by 2 into 22 by 7. Okay. So 55 divided by 44 into 7. This 7 will go to the numerator. So if you multiply and cancel, you will be getting 35 by 4, that is 8.75 meter. This is the value of r. 8.75 meter. Okay. What is the outer path? The path given, the space, the outer path, width of the outer path. How much? 3.5 meter. What is the outer radius? Outer radius is capital R. Okay. So that R is equal to, how to find the capital R? 8.75, this radius plus the width, this distance. How to find this line? See, this is the capital R. Okay. How to find this distance from here to here, that is R, and from here to this small gap, this is the width. Width is given as 3.5. What is this? 8.75. Just now we found out. What is this? 3.5. Now how to find capital R? 8.75 plus 3.5. So total 12.25. This is capital R. Now we have to find this particular area. What is the area? Area of the path. What will be the area of the path? Just now I told, when there are two concentric circles, there will be two radius. Okay. So pi r square minus pi small r square. Take pi outside. R square minus r square. Pi into, what is capital R? 12.25 the whole square minus small r is 8.75 the whole square. Pi into this is looking like the formula. Yeah, you can do it 12.25 into 12.25, but you can use the formula. What formula you can use? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Use the formula. 12.25 plus 8.75, 12.25 minus 8.75. If you do like this, it will be much easier for you. So if you add this two value, you will be getting 21. If you subtract, you will be getting 3.5. Now what is pi? 22 by 7 into 21 into 3.5. 7 1s are, 7 3s are, 66 into 3.5 is equal to 321 meter square. This is the area of the path. Okay, that's it. Question number 14. There are two circular gardens A and B. The circumference of garden A is 1.760 km and the area of garden B is 25 times the area of the garden A. Find the circumference of garden B. So what is given? Circumference of the garden A. First garden is A, that is, let it be C1. Okay, how much it is given? 1.760 kilometer. So that is equal to 1.760 kilometer. Convert kilometer into meter. So you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Multiply by 1000 meter. So you will be getting answer 1760 meter. This is C1. Okay. So how to find radius? Radius is equal to circumference divided by 2 pi, because we know that circumference equal to 2 pi r, radius equal to c by 2 pi, that is circumference by 2 pi. What is the circumference for r1? So r1 means we will take c1. Okay. So C1, what is C1? Just now we found 1760 divided by 2 into pi. What is pi? 22 by 7. 1760 divided by 44 into 7. If you cancel, you will be getting the value 280 meter. Answer is 280. 44 cancel by 2 tables. 22 2 8s are, again balance 1, 80 8s are 0. 880 you will be getting, again 22 cancel in 2 table, 11, and you will be getting here 440. 11 1s are, 11 40s are, 40 into 7 280. R1 is 280. Now area of the garden, area of the first garden A. Let it be A1, pi R1 square. So pi, what is R1? Just now we found that it is 280 square. 22 by 7 into 280 into 280. 7 1s are, 40s are, 22 into 40 into 280. 880 into 280, you will be getting the value 246400 meter square. This is A1, that is the garden A. Area of the garden, for garden, area of garden A. Okay. Now next, area of the garden B. Garden B. What is given in the question? Area of the garden B is 25 times the area of the garden A. So multiply by 25. 25 times the area of the garden A. 246400. You have to multiply by 24. If you multiply, you will be getting 616 meter square. Check out the answer calculation, you can check. So what is radius? radius of garden B is equal to area divided by pi. How we got this? See, area is equal to how much? Pi r square. So what is r? R is equal to area by pi. R square is equal to area by pi. R will be, the square will come this side, it will become root of area by pi. What is R value? R is equal to root of area by pi. Okay. So now what you have to find? Root of area. What is the area? 616. 616 0,000 divided by pi value. What is pi? 22 by 7. So 616 into 7 by 22 root. So what answer you will be getting? You will be getting root of 196 and 4 zeros. So what is 196? The square root of 196 is 14. 4 zeros are there. So what is the square root of 40? 20 meter. So this is the radius of the garden B. Okay, this is the radius. Now what you have to find? Circumference. Circumference of garden B. What is circumference formula? 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 1400. 200. 2 into 20. 44 into 200 is equal to 8800. Okay. In meter. 8800 meter. To convert the meter into kilometer, what you have to do? Divide by 1000. Divide by 1000 to convert into kilometer. 0,000 cancel. 8.8 kilometer. This is the answer. Now let us solve question number 15. A wheel has diameter 84 centimeter. Find how many complete revolutions must it make to cover 3.168 kilometer. So what is given in the question? Diameter. Diameter of a wheel. Diameter is always denoted by the letter D. 84 centimeter. Circumference. Circumference C is equal to pi into 2 pi r. So how can we write? 2r into pi. What is 2r? Diameter into pi. So circumference can also be written as d into pi. What is diameter given in the question? 84. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. 7 ones are 1, 2. 12 into 22. So 12 into 22 is 764 centimeter. In the question it is given that the distance covered is equal to 3.168 kilometer. Convert into meter. How to convert into meter? 3.168 into 1000 meter. So you will be getting 3168 meter. Number of revolution. The formula to find the number of revolutions is equal to distance covered divided by circumference. What is the distance covered? 3168 divided by meter divided by circumference is 764 centimeter. See, one is in meter, another is in centimeter. So how to convert meter into centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 764 centimeter. So both are in centimeter. So 3168 into 100 divided by 764. Cancel. You can cancel by. Okay. So 3168 into 100 by 7, 6, sorry, this is 264, okay, 264. Already we have written, no, 12 into 22 is how much? 264, sorry. So 264 one time, 12 time, it will go 12 into 100 is equal to 1200 revolutions. This is number of revolution, this many revolutions. So this is the answer.